Take control of your table-mounted router for quick, accurate, reliable, and repeatable setups. The Precision Router Lift helps you elevate your routing capabilities by providing precise control when making router setup changes or changing bits. The lift replaces the standard insert plate in a router table. The 3/8 of an inch by 91/4 of an inch by 113/4 of an inch plate fits all KREG router tables plus many popular brands, and accepts any of 20+ popular router models, without the need for adapters or modifications in a high-performance carriage that you raise and lower from above the table. With the Precision Router Lift, there's no more reaching under the table to make adjustments or change bits, plus vastly improved control over all adjustments, large or small. Instead, simply use the lift's included crank to adjust the height of your router bit easily and precisely from above the table. This makes adjustment fast, simple, and accurate so you can set up your router faster, and then dial in the exact bit height you require using the Precision Router Lift's built-in micro-adjustment scale. The lift also simplifies changing bits by allowing you to do that from above the table, as well. Precision is more than part of the name with this lift, too. The Precision Router Lift is designed so that every full revolution of the adjusting crank moves the carriage and your bit exactly 1/16 of an inch, though adjustments down to thousandths of an inch are possible. A built-in micro-adjust scale can be zeroed out at any point to establish your baseline bit setup, so you can make exact bit height changes, and readjust to the exact same setting confidently every time for repeat cuts. Whether you're upgrading an existing router table, setting up a new one, or even building your own custom table, the Precision Router Lift is the perfect routing accessory. It offers the precision you demand to achieve exacting routing standards, along with the fast, easy performance you want in order to spend less time setting up and more time routing. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Allows precise above-the-table setup changes for table-mounted routers. Number 2. Above-table collet access allows fast, easy, above-table bit changes. Number 3. 3/8 of an inch by 9¼ inches by 11¾ inches, 9.5 mm by 235 mm by 298 mm, hard anodized aluminum plate won't sag, resists scratches. Number 4. Fits all KREG router tables and many competitive brands. Number 5. Bearing-guided carriage provides smooth operation. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.